Hello and welcome to this slide. In this video, we are going to understand OOPs. So OOPs is one of the most important feature of Java, and that is a very, you can say it's a very important concept, and it is a beauty of using Java language. So till now, we have been using OOPs, but we don't know or we don't have a proper picture like what is object-oriented programming. Okay. So let us see OOPs. OOPs stands for object-oriented programming. It is a paradigm that organizes software design around objects and data rather than actions and logic. It emphasizes on the concepts like, so there are a few concepts that we see. One is abstraction. Okay. Abstraction is a way of hiding the logic. Then there's encapsulation. Encapsulation is a way of wrapping the data into some unit. Okay. Then we have inheritance. Inheritance is a coding paradigm where we leverage a class's object and that we can inherit in a different class. Okay. And then we have polymorphism. Poly means many and morphism means forms. So one such code can be existed, or we can make it existing into different forms. Okay. So we will see all of these things in detail, but this is a brief overview of object-oriented programming. Also, there are a few more topics like association and composition are also associated with object-oriented programming. So here, generally, there is something known as association. Okay, association and composition. Okay, composition. But we will focus only on these four important concepts, and we will have a, you can say, in-depth overview along with the practical demonstration in the future videos. And let us see what are the different benefits of using the OOPS concept. The first and the most important is modularity. Modularity means we encapsulate objects which are independent units, okay, promoting easy maintenance and troubleshooting. So each simple logic is written as an independent unit, which is very easy to maintain, and if there is any error, we can easily troubleshoot the error. We have flexibility and reusability. One code can be reused in different classes. We do not have to write the code again and again. And then it can enhance the code organization. Okay, classes and objects mirror real world entities. So for example, if I want to write a logic for a banking software, so I will create a class name as account, or I will create a class name as customer, which is, you can say, reflecting to the real time scenario. So inside an account class, there will be few fields such as account number will be there. Then we will have, you can say, account balance. Okay. Then is account, let's say what type of account it is. We can have that attribute as well. It can be savings account. Okay. So what I mean to say is, so here, like we can say something like this. We can have account class, okay, which is a real-time entity, and inside account we can have an attribute name as account number, okay, or we can have attribute name as account type. What is the type of account? It can be savings account or it can be current account, okay, and then we can have like account balance is there, okay. So this is a class which will refer to the real-time entity. And similarly, we can have one more class, let's say customer. A customer can have fields which are again, which reflects to the real, in a real world scenarios. A customer can have first name, last name, some ID, address, phone number. Okay, all these are the attributes which a customer can have. So like this, we can mirror the real world entities, making more code more intuitive and scalable. Okay. So thank you.